The Geryon is a universal bike packing system. It's a rack that will fit on any bike and enable you to carry gear on both the front and the back, whether that's your backpack, your fly fishing gear, your camping gear, you name it. When I started designing this product, I was envisioning the merger between fly fishing and mountain biking. We needed something that was a universal fit. Most racks that you find on the market today require that you have specific mounting points on your bike. What our system allows you to do is put a rack on any bike, regardless of if it has those mounts available or not. So if you've got a road bike, a mountain bike, a gravel bike, an e-bike, if it's your only bike that you have, chances are the Geryon will fit on there because of the universal mounting. It's really adjustable, all the angles articulate, it's completely modular, you can move all the parts around. It's not strapping to your handlebars like a handlebar bag, so it's not going to hamper your steering or make your bike handle strangely. This rack allows me to try new things without having to invest in a whole new bike. So if I want to try out bike packing, I can. If I want to use my mountain bike to go fishing, I can. If I want to use it to go camping, I can. If you need to bring gear on your bike, the Geryon is there to help you do that. You're able to do more of the things you love to do and do them more frequently. Getting more enjoyment out of life is really ultimately what you're getting with the product.